Hello guys, this is Johnny Vlogger UK. Welcome to another video. Today I'm sort of on the edge of Fannabe Beach, or Adeje Beach. I've just come from Plaza Del Duque shopping centre, just up the road. I was going to film it, but to be honest, it's not really worth filming. It's there used to be restaurants on the top floor. It's all closed down. There's only one restaurant on the top floor and an art display. Then the middle and the bottom level is shops and restaurants, a few little cafes and that. Nothing special. I did do a video on it a couple of years ago, so you could watch that. Anyway, I'm here on the beach now. I've just walked down and I thought I'd film this bit. They've done it up a bit. They've put some nice plants in and rocks, cactuses and that. It's quite pretty. By some posh hotel, I can't think of the name. I'll have to put it in the comments. So they've got some seats here. That looks quite nice. So this will go around to Fannabe Beach. Yeah, they've made it much nicer here now. It used to be a bit run down, so it looks very nice. It's nice to sit down and relax, chill out. So, just walk along here. You can see a bit of La Gomera. It's very hazy today. Not sure if I'd say these fences are very safe. You wouldn't want to fall down there. Bit of a drop. I suppose there is a little bit of a bit you would fall on and not all the way down. Probably survive. Might break a leg or two. So you got the hills there, look, the mountains. It's quite clear. There's a bit of cloud there. A little bit of haze. But it's not too bad. Nice breeze, cool breeze. Let's just read this sign. What does it say? Costa Adeje. Bit about some whales, what you can see, dolphins. A telescope there, €1, €2. Oh. Got a nice, see some nice views here. Jet skiers. So there we go. There's Playa Fannabe Beach. Just coming round the corner. Haven't been round here for a while. I have done it before, but not for a while. So I thought I'd do a little video. In fact, I don't think I've done any video with this bit. I've normally been over there where the Winchester is, and then filmed along, so this is a bit further along. So it's very nice around here, nice, clean and tidy. This is pretty, isn't it, this bit of beach? These massive big rocks, boulders, concrete blocks. They got those up in the north of Tenerife, Puerto de la Cruz, they got some of them. There's not many people on the beach here, there's more along there. So I walk along here. Like I said, they've done it up, it looks very pretty now. I like these rocks with different colours in. Bits of grey and yellow and a few little plants growing through them.
No, that's a real person.
A real person?
Yeah, a real person in there.
Someone hiding his head. What's that all about? That's different. So he was having a good time, wasn't he? Chilling with no head. There we go. People playing football on the beach. Sunbathing. The little secret beach. Nice green grass. Someone's just arrived, or they're going home, they've got their jeans on. You can always tell the new arrivals. Certainly can't wear jeans now, it's too hot. Whew. You can see all of Adeje there. You get a better view in La Caleta on the hill. I was going to film it, but I couldn't park anywhere. So if you ever go over that way, you can see all the complexes, all the villas, all the houses, everything on the hills. If you go a bit further along to La Caleta, so you've got nice little gardens here. So we're coming to a load of restaurants in a minute, bars and restaurants, loads of them. If you want to get away from all the noise and chill out a bit, here's the place to come. That's what I need, one of these things. Playa Fanabe, Le Club, La Tenerife's best beach. So we've got a restaurant here, Sea Soul. Sea Soul. Looks pretty. Very posh. Not sure if it goes underneath as well. Might do. Maybe there's a viewing area underneath. Is there a viewing area down below? I'm not sure. Who knows? So there's a group of people just arrived for St. Patrick's Day tomorrow. So as I said, it's very busy here. Thousands arriving every day, I would imagine, right now. All the flights are probably booked. Accommodation's got to be almost full here. It's very, very difficult to find a place. For the first time ever in Tenerife, I haven't been able to get a room around this area. Adeje or Las Americas or Los Cristianos even, I couldn't find a place, so I had to book a place in Gueza, which is to the east of Los Cristianos, about 4 kilometers. It's about a 10-minute drive, or you can get a bus. No big deal. It's better than I thought, actually. I thought it was going to be a disaster, but it's turned out to be okay, not a problem. And having a car really helps, because you can move around very fast So here we go, we got a restaurant here. Spain English, isn't it? It's the one that's split in two. You got a bit here and a bit to the left. Then you got the zigzag pathway. But there is a shortcut, so we go another way. I'm not going to go that way. Or is there? Maybe there isn't. No, maybe we will have to go this way. Right, I'll pause it and film it when we get to the bottom. Right, so Spanglish Tapas Restaurant. So there's a bit here and then there's a bit up there. It's a bit weird. It's like a restaurant cut in half with this big zigzag pathway. So we got the Winchester here. Here's Playa Fannabe Beach. A lovely sunny day. Sky's a little bit hazy, but hey, it's hot, it's sunny, it's warm. What more can you want? Better than England right now. So it's definitely busy along here. We're going to stop somewhere and have some lunch now. It's about 1 o'clock now, isn't it?
It's later than that.
Is it? Well, it might be 1:30 then. Right, so we're going to have some lunch. So where do you think we should go? There's a place here, the Winchester. There's Cheers, and there's a Scottish bar along here. I can't remember the name. We might go to that one. The Winchester looks like it's too busy. They're probably going to be watching the Cheltenham races.
There's too many men.
The Gold Cup. It's the Gold Cup today.
There's too many men.
I haven't put a bet on. I fancied putting a little flutter on, a few bets, but not sure if you can do it around here. If I can, then I'll do it, but if not, I'll just miss out, won't I? Never mind. Anyway, we carry on. Right, here's the Winchester. It's had a refit. It looks nice in here. Nice and busy. It's full up. Look at that, it's full up. Blimey. Orange calf. So that is rams. You're not even going to get in there. Orange calf, there's probably a couple of seats left. Al Makami. That's closed. Ted Bar. Ted restaurant rather. Looks like they do snacks and coffee. Cheers. I've never been to this one. Cheers. Hello. Supermarket. Oh, get my finger out the way. Pistacco. It's like some sort of fish place. They're empty. No one in there. That's a shame. Shalom Ocean Spa. Reflexology, massage, beauty, nails, waxing. There you go. There's someone in there getting a few bits done. The beach shop. Daniel's Drinks. That's new. I don't remember seeing that. The Seahorse. There's all the lads that have just arrived. Look, all their suitcases. Big group of them. Probably about a dozen there. This is new. Fannabe Soul. 150 beer. Ice cold large beer. Yes. I think I'm going to stop somewhere in a minute. Huh? You want to stop here? We go a bit further along. A little bit further. So we're by Playa Fannabe, there you go. So it's quite busy along here. Haven't seen it this busy for a while. Hello, you right? So there's lots of people on the beach there. Limoncello, cello, Kello. Tello too. Maybe you're going there. Or Loch Ness, the Loch Ness. If it's open. Someone recommended go to the Loch Ness. So I might try the Loch Ness. It's a Scottish place. I don't know if Kevin's been here. Scotsman in Tenerife. So we've got another Happy Feet place. They're quite popular. Leather goods. A Tello too. They're quite busy. There's only a few tables left. Perfume shop. Another bag shop. So there's Ganges Tandoori along here still. It's still here. That's next to the Loch Ness. Right, I think I'm going to try this place, Loch Ness. So let's try this place out. Let's check it out. There's a table there. Should we sit in that one there?
Yeah.
Come on in. What? Right, I'm going to have a break now, so I'm going to end this video now. So thanks for watching. We're outside the Loch Ness. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, subscribe, Johnny Vlogger UK. Hit the notification bell for all future videos, and see you in the next one. Bye for now. Oh yeah, and subscribe. Press the subscribe, Johnny Vlogger UK. So bye bye for now.